All right, well, Genesis 2:17 goes in about this, and it says that the moment you eat from the tree of knowledge, you die. This is actually a very interesting verse. It's Genesis 2:17, and it basically says that when you eat from this tree, you die. So when you're dead is the moment that you eat from the tree. Now, what's the opposite of the tree of knowledge? What are the two trees in the Garden of Eden that were mentioned explicitly? It was the tree of life and the tree of knowledge of good and evil. So if one is the tree of life, one is the tree of death. Hence, when you eat from the tree of knowledge of good and evil, you die. Now, what is the tree of knowledge of good and evil? It's when you are rewarded and punished slash informed of your past good and your past evil. Therefore, when you eat from the tree of knowledge of good and evil, when you will die, you're going to be informed of your past good and your past evil. Now, what else is important to know? It's important to know that where your body dies, that's where your soul will be there waiting for it if you're good. If you're not good, if you're a sinner, what's going to happen is that you're going to die and you're going to be without a soul. Your soul is still going to be lost. So you're going to have to incarnate or go through something in order to get your soul back, because your soul is your ticket into paradise and peace. Now, the tree of life is, of course, the opposite of the tree of knowledge of good and evil. And the whole point of life, as I just have been saying, was just to die and get your soul. So nobody knows where your soul is gonna, people can know where your soul is spiritually, but they just can't know where you're gonna die. You see, there's a physical level and the metaphysical level underneath. Where your body is gonna die if you're good, your soul, which is gonna tell it how it did, it's gonna meet it if it's good. And you're gonna pick up as the soul, and you're gonna be what's known as saved. If you die and your soul does not know where you are physically, there's a very small chance that it's gonna find it. It can find it if you're fucking insanely lucky. But generally speaking, physically where you die, your soul needs to be metaphysically there, and it has, the rights to that body. And then you're gonna be informed of your good and of your evil, and that'll determine where you're gonna go, and you're gonna start having an afterlife. So do what you can now to have connection with your soul, rather, I should say, to be one with your soul, to become your soul when you die. This is the whole point of this life thing. It's to reunite. See, well, when you're in the body, you're not with your soul. You need to be reunited with your soul. Thanks for watching.